Hello, everyone. Today's topic is illegal migrants determinations by Tribunals Act 1983. And this is a very important topic with respect to Assam's paper point of view and the other papers, other GS papers may also contain some questions based on this topic. So let's come to this discussion. So illegal migrants determinations by Tribunals Act 1983. Before going into this topic directly, I would like to discuss few facts that we have to know related to this. So look at this figure. You can see that in this figure, you can see that how the actually, so we'll go through the banners. Save Assam, স্বনিয়ন্ত্ৰণৰ অধিকাৰ বহিষ্কাৰ আপোনালোকে গম পাইছে এখনত আমি কি দেখাব বিচাৰিছো then look at this figure you can understand what is this now first start with Foreigners Act 1946 this Foreigners Act 1946 it replaced the Foreigners Act 1940 conferring wide powers to deal with all the foreigners the act empowered the government to take some states that are necessary to prevent illegal migrants, including the use of force. এই যে 1946 or Foreigners Act খন আহিল সেইখনে আগৰ 1940 Foreigner Act খনক amend কৰিলে আৰু গোটেই বহুতখিনি পাৱাৰ্স আনি দিলে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ ওচৰলৈ যাতে ফৰেনাৰ্ছৰ লগত ডিল কৰিব পাৰে ইভেন দিস 1946 Foreigners Act gave power to the government to use of force also while dealing with the illegal migrants. Okay. Then the concept of burden of proof lies with the person and not with the authorities. Remember, a line too important. The concept of burden of proof. Burden of proof means you need the proof of establishing that he is Indian national or he is someone from outside India means he is foreigner. So now this act, Foreigners Act 1946, here the concept of burden proofs lies with the person, not with the authorities. The act originally empowered the government to establish tribunals which should have similar powers to those of a civil court. So a court government of tribunal established and tribunals are quasi-judicial bodies that have the power similar to that of a civil court. Then amendment 2019 to this Foreigners Tribunal Order 1964 empowered even the district magistrates in all states and union territories to set up tribunals to decide whether a person staying illegally in India is a foreigner or not. So now 2019 or amendment not etu holze now district magistrates even the district magistrates also not just the government state government even the district magistrates can also means open this or set up this tribunal to decide a person's citizenship whether it is his or she is foreigner or not. Then who is a declared foreigner? A declared foreigner is a person marked by Foreigners Tribunal for eligibly failing to prove their citizenship after the state police or border wing makes him or her as an illegal immigrant. Now, people adjudged or non-citizens are sent to detention centers. So if they can't prove that they are Indian citizen, then they will be sent to detention centers. And such people are tried after the Assam police border wing served them notice on suspension of being foreigners. Then what is a foreigner tribunal? Just I told you, you can see this type of foreigners tribunal. This is from the Borpeta. Now, these foreigner tribunals are quasi-judicial bodies established as part of Foreigners Tribunal Order 1964 and the Foreigners Act of 1946. Is a Foreigner Act on Asil 1946 or Foreigner Tribunal Order 1964 adhanot অধীনত কি কৰিছিলে এই ফৰেনাৰ্ছ ট্ৰিবিউনেলছ খিনি বনোৱা হৈছিল আৰু কম্পজিশনত কি থাকে এডভোকেটস নট বিলো দ্য এজ অফ 35 years age with at least 7 years of practice or retired judicial officers from Assam Judicial Service or retired IS or OACS officer not below the rank of secretary or additional secretary having experience in quasi-judicial works. Now, who can set up this tribunal? মই আগতেই কৈছো যে আগতে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে কৰিব পাৰিছিল, নাও 2019 চনৰ পাছত ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট মেজিষ্ট্ৰেটেও কৰিব পাৰে। The Ministry of Home Affairs has amended the Foreigners Tribunal Order 1964 and has empowered the district magistrates also to set up tribunals to decide whether a person is staying illegally in India or not. Now, let's এইখিনি জনাৰ পাছত আপোনালোকে কি গম পালে? Foreigners Act 1946, Foreigners Tribunals Order 1964 amended in 2019. Now, let's come to our main topic, that is Illegal Migrants Determinations by Tribunal Act 1983. Illegal Migrants Determination by Tribunals Act 1983. মনত ৰাখিব, অলপ দেৰি আগতে মই আপোনালোকক কৈছিলো যে the burden of proof lies with the person, not with the government. এতিয়ালৈকে সেইটো আছিল, কিন্তু Illegal Migrants Determination by Tribunals Act 1983 অলপ বেলেগকৈহে হয়। Let's discuss this. The absence of any provision related to burden of proof in the Illegal Migrants Determinations by Tribunal Acts 1983 put a very heavy burden upon the authorities to establish whether a person is an illegal migrant or not. মানে এনেকুৱা হল এই যে আপোনাৰ Illegal Migrants Determination by Tribunal Acts 1983 হয়, ইয়াত burden of proof to government মানে authority-কে দি দিয়া হয়। আগতে সেই illegally detect কৰা নহয়, illegally যি stay কৰি আছিল তেওঁলোকৰ ওপৰত ৰাখিছিল প্ৰুভ কৰিবলৈ যে তেওঁলোক ইণ্ডিয়ান হয় নে ফৰেনাৰ হয়, এইটো প্ৰুভ কৰাটো বাৰ্ডেন অফ প্ৰুফ। নাও ইট কেম টু the authorities itself to establish whether the person is an illegal migrant or not. That is what the main concern of Illegal Migrants Determination by Tribunal Act 1983. Moreover, a number of non-Indians who may have entered Assam after 25 March 1971 without possession of valid documents continued to reside in Assam. You know about 1971 war, right? Bangladesh became a separate country carving out from Pakistan. Now Bangladesh is no more East Pakistan, that became an independent country. But many people during that time came to Assam, staying illegally here. Those are non-Indians, but still demanding that they are now Indians. So the act was struck down by the Supreme Court because huge protests going on, and even our past Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, there's a famous case with respect to this, that the act was struck down by the Supreme Court. The act means the IMDT Act 1983, was struck down by the Supreme Court in Sarbananda Sonowal versus Union of India case 2005. The Supreme Court also closed all the tribunals in Assam functioning under this act. The Supreme Court then transferred all pending cases at the IMDT tribunals to the foreigner tribunals constituted under Foreigners Tribunal Order 1964. So, Sarbananda Sonowale যিটো এইটো কেছটো চ্যালেঞ্জ কৰিছিল, তেওঁৰ মতে হল এক্টটো ষ্ট্ৰাক ডাউন কৰা হল, আৰু যিমানখিনি ট্ৰিবুনেল এই 1983 আণ্ডাৰত কনষ্ট্ৰাক্ট কৰা হৈছিল সববিলাক এতিয়া কি কৰা হল, ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰা হল। আচলতে সেইখিনি ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰি দিলে কলৈ, আপোনাৰ Foreigners Tribunal Order 1964 হলে, right? Now, existing procedure for appeal. Currently, any person excluded from National Register of Citizens, that is NRC, can approach in the Foreigners Tribunals established only in Assam within 120 days of receiving a certified copy of rejection. Jodi kunuba NRC naam nai, he or she has to move to this Foreigners Tribunal in Assam. Baki state ki hol, other states and Indian territories. In other states, a person suspected to be a foreigner is produced before a local court under the Passport Act 1920 or the Foreigners Act 1946. But Ohomot nohoy, Ohomot kintu etia hetu deal kora hoy 1964 Foreigners Tribunals Order 1964 under আৰু আমাৰ যিটো Foreigners Tribunal Act আছিল 1946. Foreigners Tribunal Act 1960, Foreigners Tribunal Orders 1964 is also with us now, but not the Foreigners Illegal Migrants Determination by Tribunals Act 1983. Indira Gandhi দিনৰ যিটো আহিছিল এটো Act to Illegal Migrants Determination by Tribunal Act 1983, it was no more, it was struck down. So I hope a concept to halkoi bujabolo parisu apnalukok, and still jodi kiba discussion koribola ase tenle nishchoy koribo pare. With this, I'm ending this lecture. Thank you very much. Bye bye.